Talagang nakakaya, sir eh. Dapat sana binigyan man lang ako ng second chance eh.
Ito na siyang anti-littering.
Malupit to eh. Dapat to naglalagay sila ng ano.
We're asking people to give this regulation a chance, no, and to follow the regulations. And they can expect that within shortly, if everybody will really do this, we would have a revolutionary situation. The fact that they'll be pleasantly surprised that the whole metropolis would look clean.
Panatilihin po natin malinis ang ating kapaligiran, iwasan po natin maglabas ng sapagkat meron pong MMDA regulation number 96-009 na matilihin po natin na maayos, malinis ang ating environment.
Talagang kami seryoso sapagkat gusto natin maging malinis ang ating kapaligiran para doon sa mga susunod na henerasyon.